Alright, so we in the S5 today. I'm just gonna adjust my seating position really quick. Start this thing on. Show you all the key fob as well. And the seatbelt also comes out, as you guys can see. This is the key fob here. Also, you can also remote start from it as well. This car does have remote start. Let's turn this down a little bit. My bad if I don't know how to use the controls, still learning out here. As you can see, this is actually kind of a touch screen here. You can kind of like touch it and it kind of selects where you want to select. I like how the climate control is also actually buttons as well, because in a lot of new cars, a lot of 2020 plus vehicles, it goes into the screen. I feel like I really do not like that at all. I hate that. You got the paddle shifters here as well. Kind of wish they were a little larger because they're kind of small here, but you know, you could also do the aftermarket. And look at the steering wheel, man. The square bottom, like, come on, absolutely beautiful. Got the gear selector here. Continuous gas. Kind of show you guys the infotainment system as well. Audi Drive Select. Got the different modes. Comfort. We in dynamic, but let's go back to comfort. You could also change at night. There's a lot of lighting in here as well, because this is the Technic package, so it's the highest trim that you can get. So you get the light and visibility, interior lighting. You can kind of see all the options here. Caribbean Audi Drive Select brightness. Yeah, these are kind of all the colors that you got. Individual. It's kind of how you can set up your color scheme there. Exterior lighting, that's kind of like with that. Rain sensor. Seating position here. This car also has the massage seats in the front and back, so you can enjoy a nice little massage while you drive in your S5. The air conditioning, auto recirculation, parking aid sensors. You know, it's kind of the volume of when you're trying to park and whatnot. But yeah, man, overall very easy to use. Infotainment comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. And you got some radio media. Want to connect your phone and stuff. I'm not going to connect it right now. The nav, there you go, kind of shows where you at. But yeah, man, overall very simple system to use. You kind of got here your gas, your fuel consumption. Right now this is per 100 kilometers, so the way my friend drives is 15.7 liters per 100 kilometers. That's not bad at all. It's really not that bad. It's long term right there. Driver assistance, stuff like that. Let's see on this side. We got the volume knob right here. You can kind of select what's going on here. Got your view here. Change some things around. It's the steering wheel. Okay. But you also got your boost gauge here and stuff. Your RPM. Overall, this car is very easy to use, man. Everything just kind of makes sense. It also makes sense. Hey, let's get straight into the drive, man. Throw my seatbelts on here. Also got some good audio speakers as well in this car. Speakers are very solid in this vehicle. Okay. Right now we're just gonna start off in comfort. Nothing too crazy. We're just gonna go in comfort. Got individual as well. You can kind of adjust to what type of drive if you want your steering to be a little more aggressive and stuff. Why not with that? Got some folks here, man. Got some folks here. For what you get for this car, you definitely get what you pay for. You 100% get what you pay for in this vehicle. I'm not gonna lie. Everything just kind of makes sense. Nothing's too advanced. Kind of easy to understand with everything. Make sure people ain't, you know, going too crazy around here. Be zooming around these parts, man. Luckily it was raining, but things kind of lined up. Okay, make sure this lady don't hit us, man. Let's go straight. Got the Quattro. You know, it don't matter if you're in snow or rain. You can still get to where you want to be comfortably. Got the bus pulling up. Even when you go over a bump in this car, like you really don't you don't feel it as much. It's not like super aggressive. Man, there's gonna be some traffic, man. Especially with where I live, like the roads are horrible, man. The roads are absolutely trash. So whenever you hit a bump in this car, it's not as bad, honestly. Auto stop start. I hate that function. Turn it off on all cars. That's where you select your drive modes down here. The stop start buttons right here. Got your cruise control. Stuff like that, man. Bro, I absolutely love the steering wheel on this thing. It's fire, man. Right now we just chilling in comfort, bro. Everything's going all good. Everything's smooth, comfortable. We chilling right now, man. See the individual, you can kind of select your drive, steering, engine sound. I'm gonna stay in comfort for a little bit though. Your heated seats over here. I really like how this is attached, that's cool. Got your sunroof controls here and stuff too. Man, we gotta get out of the way of this bus, dude. It's gonna keep stopping. Hit some bumps, hit some bumps. Switch lanes real quick. Once we got some open, more stretching roads, I'll kind of turn into dynamic. Right now, there's really no point in being dynamic because we can't even go anywhere, really. And rush hour starting to stretch into 8 p.m. traffic, man. The consumption out there. Put your map there as well, so you can get your map. Date and time is Monday today. Try getting in front of this bus, man. Turn into auto drive select. Honestly, I'm not really sure what auto does. I kind of feel the car being a little more aggressive. It's kind of holding the revs instead of shifting. Man, this thing is comfortable. Like if you there's some buttons down here too as well with the bolstering, so you can kind of. So right now I'm just tightening the bolstering. You can untighten it as well. Okay, let's throw this thing in dynamic really quick. See the paddles. You hear some farts when you shift. And if you want to get out of the paddles, you just kind of push this steering column back. And the steering's really, with the putting it to dynamic, it gets really tight. So it's not as loose as it was in comfort. So wherever you kind of steer it, the car goes. So it's very predictable when you turn. See, it says some downshifts. So you can hear some burbles. I don't know if y'all can hear the burbles, but there's some burbles. You can hear the turbo spooling up as well. So this car definitely isn't just like a vacuum cleaner. Like it makes some noises, man. When you shift, it'll kind of like fart and burble off the shifts that you do. So you'll definitely have some fun in this car when you got to get up and go, man. Got some traffic. See if I can do a little pull here. Wait for this guy to kind of make it. You'll definitely feel the it'll fart definitely more off when you shift with the paddles due to with dynamic, because with dynamic it just keeps going and going and going. I'll see if I could do it on this this stoplight here. Comment down below what you guys would have. So the competitor to this is the C43 and I believe the M340, because this is the B9 generation. This, and the same year the M340 came out. Me personally, I feel like this is the most comfortable out of the cars. The C43 probably sounds the best. The M340 is like the fastest, but this is definitely the most everyday comfortable vehicle. I've driven all of them, but this one feels the most comfortable so far. The C43 just pops, bangs. The exhaust is crazy. It's a little more stiff as well. The M340s is comfortable as well, but it's not as comfortable as this. I feel like the everyday drivability of this car is just overall better. All right, my bad, y'all. My camera ran out of memory real quick. I forgot to delete some few things, but hey, like I was saying, let's get back to it. So we in dynamic still. Man, I love this thing. Sounds beautiful off like when it goes off the gears, man. This thing sounds absolutely beautiful. Let's not be too much of a hoodlum though. Let's get back in comfort. We in the side streets. I low-key don't know where I am, but hey, we'll figure it out. We got the map right here, the mini map. You know, let's bust it right real quick. So far, man, this car is like, it's kind of hard to find a flaw with it. I mean, it's kind of heavy. It feels kind of heavy. But that's really about it. I mean, it is all-wheel drive, so it's gonna feel definitely a little bit more heavier compared to like a rear-wheel drive vehicle for sure. Let's put it back in dynamic real quick. Loki, let's do a little brake. Oh, okay, there. Here, let's do it. Just kind of flooring it. That wasn't too bad. I feel like I didn't get to brake boost it. There's someone behind me. I wasn't really trying to be too crazy, but that was pretty good, man. That pull was not bad at all. Try to do a better one, bro. I was trying to like hit like the third pedal because I thought I forgot I was driving automatic. You're driving a lot of manual, so. Actually, here, I'm gonna go left. Here, I'm gonna try ripping it with the paddles here. Okay, put this in second gear. I'm gonna put it in first. Let me just kind of rip it from here. All right, so we're in first. Let's floor it. Man, this thing, like, it moves, man. I'm not gonna say it's a slow car. Man. It's a fun car, dude. This is a fun car. Here, low-key, I'm gonna try brake boosting it here. I'm gonna try brake boosting it. I'm gonna put my foot on my brake there. Yeah, we got like 15 seconds, so I'm not gonna touch the paddles or anything. I'm just gonna brake boost it from what the transmission's gonna do. This is an 8-speed transmission, so definitely gets up. Okay, so I'm gonna depress the brake pedal. Damn, I can't even launch it yet. So honestly, that was pretty quick. I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty fast, dude. It definitely gets you in your seat, but let's calm down a little bit. Let's get back into comfort. You know, we've been wilding up a little bit. Let's get back in comfort, man. Let's just chill. I'm gonna throw on the massage seats, you know, after we just did all that hoodlum activity. So now we're just gonna kind of go back. Let's get our massage going, man. Let's get our massage going. We chilling now. We chilling. We good. We have proved that this car is fast, you know. Now we just gonna kind of cruise. That's about it. But yeah, overall, like, I think this is an amazing car, man. for what you get for the money, you definitely get what you're paying for. Like, other than the car being kind of heavy, that's about it, man. Like, you can definitely, like, if you feel like the car isn't fast enough for you, you could definitely tune it, bro. A few bolt-ons, this thing will be an absolute rocket. But yeah, no, overall, solid car. Can't, other than it being heavy, that's it. Literally, that's my only complaint, that it's heavy. But you know, this is a luxury coupe. It's about the luxury, right? So they're not also gonna be heavy as well. But hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see. What do you want to see me driving? Because I could source like some vehicles. I could get, you know, a few vehicles. So let me know down below what you want to see. And hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be dropping every single week, or at least trying to. You know, y'all can press me if I don't. But hey, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate y'all, man. Thank you.